Hi everyone, I'm Dan. I'm here to tell you about Cryptalgo. Our goal is to help turn cryptocurrencies into a mainstream asset class. To do that, we're building the missing piece in the crypto trading world, a global trading backbone designed for the needs of financial institutions. We'll be providing a wide variety of trading solutions for institutions, as well as investment products and services, even for token holders, and all the way to even liquidity solutions for small and medium-sized crypto exchanges. All of it will be enabled by the same infrastructure that we've been building. But let's talk for a second about why or how come this infrastructure is missing today. Unlike in the traditional markets, the blockchain technology and the very nature of decentralization of currencies, cryptocurrencies, enables anyone to open a crypto exchange pretty much anywhere in the world with relative ease. This leads to fragmented market and siloed participants. Simply put, inefficiency. Now, this inefficiency is actually an impediment, a hurdle for institutional money to come into crypto trading, the big institutional money. It's by no means the only issue, but it needs to be solved. But this inefficiency also brings about opportunities. And before we dive into the problem and how Cryptalgo solves it, perhaps we can talk a little bit about the opportunities. So by show of hands, how many of you trade or invest in cryptocurrencies? Most of you, okay. And how many of you believe that when institutional traders come into the market, they'll do so using high-end trading tools that typically you and I don't get access to? Okay. Now, how many of you, I'm assuming you're familiar with arbitrage, how many of you believe or actually see in the market arbitrage opportunities between all the exchanges around the world 24/7 around the globe? Okay. And finally, how many of you, though, have the ability to capture all of these arbitrage opportunities consistently, ongoing? Not a single hand. Well, in slide 7, I'll introduce a solution that will allow each and every one of you to answer a big yes to that last question. But before that, let's circle back to the market problems and how we solve them. There are currently more than 200 crypto exchanges around the globe, and dozens more coming online by the end of this year. Most of them have very little liquidity, very small trading volumes. They're disconnected from each other, siloed, like we said a moment ago. They're spread over so many different regulatory jurisdictions, have different mechanisms for compliance, and the list goes on, as you can see. And this is a big hurdle for the entrance of the real institutional money. Again, not the only problem, but very important to solve. Cryptalgo is building a global trading backbone, an infrastructure, if you will, that will interconnect exchanges, aggregate liquidity and market data, consolidate market trading data to provide a total market view and what's called best execution in the market, all of which are required for institutional trading. On top of this infrastructure, we're building a variety of trading solutions, services, and even investment products. Now, for institutions to get into crypto trading and investing, They need kind of a copy-paste, if you will, of the tools and standards that they're used to from and familiar with from traditional assets classes. And this is what Cryptalgo is all about, serving as the gateway for them into the market, providing a variety of trading services, financial products, such as our high-end algo trader, which we'll discuss in a moment, and instruments, including derivatives, options, swaps, forwards, and such. And we'll even provide white label solutions for those financial institutions, private banks, online brokerage firms who are looking for or looking to provide their clients trading tools that are using their own brands. Our core system is already connected to multiple exchanges around the world, and we'll be aggregating liquidity from them into what we call a single total view order book of the global market, and provide best-in-class actionable information, trade execution, and pricing. And as a financial services firm in the global crypto trading arena, we intend to seek to work within, actively seek working within regulatory frameworks and be licensed in multiple jurisdictions. In the past few months, Cryptalgo has been in discussions with a variety of financial institutions, private banks, online brokers, and even some of the largest banks in the world to provide them with the right solution for their entry into the crypto trading market. We've already signed some clients and partnerships, and we're expecting to announce several more. But this, you can see some examples here. For example, Elysium Technology Group provides post-trade processing solutions for FX and futures. Through them, their clients process in excess of $1 trillion a month. Yes, that's with a T, not with a B. And pretty much all of their clients have been asking them, how can we get into crypto trading? Well, from now, with the partnership with Cryptalgo, their answer to their clients is essentially through the integration of Cryptalgo into our systems. So at the start of the presentation, I mentioned an investment product that could help you or be a game changer for you even in trading. So here's where things get really interesting for you, individual investors, family offices, even funds. The Algo Trader is Cryptalgo's premier investment product designed to identify and take advantage and capture crypto market arbitrage opportunities on a global scale. Even when markets crash, our Algo Trader will keep capturing arbitrage opportunities and generate alpha returns with far less exposure to market volatility or beta risk, regardless of the direction the market is going in. Capturing arbitrage opportunities in crypto requires significant capital deployed in multiple exchanges, advanced money routing techniques for rebalancing accounts, highly efficient, low latency connectivity with exchanges, extremely fast trade execution, and the list goes on. Simply put, it's just not feasible for an individual to consistently do that. And often, even many funds can't really do it on their own. We're now in very advanced development stages of the Algo Trader. It's actually now going, after about a year of development, undergoing live trade testing, and we plan on posting trading results as soon as we can on the website, and they'll be reviewed by Ernst & Young. Our token, called Algo, will be used both for access to the Algo Trader and the trading platform in general, as well as serve as the preferred currency for fee payments within the entire ecosystem we're building, both on the individual side, as the retail, as well as, and mainly, institutional. And it'll carry significant and substantial fee discounts compared to other forms of payment. And finally, as we all know, in startups, execution is almost everything. To get institutional money into crypto trading, into the market, it's not enough to have the best technology out there. It's not even enough to have great execution. Key decision makers in investment committees need to feel comfortable that they are working with the right people. The Cryptalgo team are highly accomplished entrepreneurs and financial industry leaders. And most importantly, they are people that institutions have been working with for the past 2 to 3 decades in traditional assets classes, and who earned their trust and their business. I'll leave you with this final note. If you're a crypto fund or a family office, for example, with exposure in the crypto market, and looking to participate in a private token sale that provides a much more sophisticated diversification, you're welcome to come talk with me here at the event or reach me via email. And thank you very much for listening.